How to create color JPEG images with Raster Image Printer 12. Raster Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. Raster Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Color Optimized TIFF, Fax TIFF, Monochrome TIFF, Adobe PDF, Non-Searchable PDF, and Color Optimized JPEG. Unlike Peernet's other image printers, TIFF Image Printer and PDF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer offers a variety of output file formats to choose from, including both TIFF images and PDF files, as well as a large selection of image formats such as JPEG images, GIF images, PNG images, and BMP images. To create color JPEG images, simply set the profile Color Optimized JPEG as Raster Image Printer's default profile. Double-click on the Raster Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the Raster Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the Raster Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to Raster Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. Beside Raster Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and ensure Color Optimized JPEG is the default profile. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management. Now, each time you print to Raster Image Printer, it will automatically apply the settings stored in the Color Optimized JPEG profile to your output JPEG images. Our default Color Optimized JPEG profile is configured to create JPEG images at 300 dpi with colors reduced to optimal palette. This setting will reduce each page down to the smallest number of colors required to represent each page. Therefore, all colors present in the original file will be maintained in the output JPEG image. We do offer other color options including 256 color palette, 16 color palette, optimal color max 256 colors, optimal color max 16 colors, and none. The goal of all of these color options is to reduce the number of colors present in the image, thereby reducing the JPEG file size. If file size is not a concern, we recommend sticking with optimal palette. If you make any changes to our default settings, you will need to save your own custom profile. For the purposes of this example, I am happy with the default Color Optimized JPEG profile, so I will not save this duplicate profile. Close Profile Manager and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to JPEG. Select File, Print, select Raster Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to Raster Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new JPEG image. Now files printed to Raster Image Printer will be converted to color JPEG images. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.